PICCINI Paolo Spa has been active since 1968 in the handling, transport and sale of compressed natural gas. Each year, the company distributes more than 10 million cubic meters of methane and biomethane. It has a large fleet of CNG tanker trucks used for continuous supply of methane to civil facilities, manufacturing activities, and road distributors for emergency response. The experience of being primarily a user and handler of the proposed systems allows us to offer services strongly oriented to customer requirements with great attention to both investment costs, CapEx, and to handling costs, OpEx. PICCINI Paolo offers integrated turnkey solutions to maximize the economic, management and environmental benefits of alternative fuels through a department dedicated to engineering, also working with purchasing, compression, transport and decompression of methane. Engineering. PICCINI Paolo Spa designs and manufactures CNG tanker trucks, transportable cylinder packs, reservoir tubes, compressor stations and reduction cabins for compressed natural gas. Thanks to its know-how, it is able to train staff and workshop crews for the installation of methane and diesel methane on cars, trucks and heavy vehicles of all kinds. Purchasing. The methane distributed comes from two different sources. The first comes through the pipeline from suppliers in Northern Europe, Asia and Africa. The second, a new energy source, comes from biomethane plants on the national territory. Compression. Using its own compressor stations located throughout the national territory, the company is capable of storing the gas in the CNG tanker trucks at a pressure of about 200 bar, similar to what takes place in cars. Transport. CNG tanker trucks are used to supply compressed natural gas, CNG, to all users not connected to the national grid. To achieve a virtual pipeline where the connection to the national grid is not convenient, PICCINI Paolo Spa offers the greatest levels of efficiency with the highest security standards. The fleet is able to cope in an emergency situation as quickly as possible and to ensure continuity of supply. CNG tanks also allow loading the biomethane produced by biodigesters unconnected to the gas pipeline. Biomethane is then transported and introduced into the system or sold at roadside dealers. Decompression. Once the CNG tanks have arrived at their destination, PICCINI Paolo Spa offers a dual service for decompression. Design, creation and on-site installation of reduction cabins for continued use. Mobile reduction cabin service in emergency situations. PICCINI Paolo, your global partner.